welcome back to my channel. So today we are here to review one very hyped Indian brand, and yes, that is Pure by Priyanka. So I have been using their products since like 4 to 5 months, and I have got quite a lot of them. Like you can see it, there are 9 to 10 products from this brand. So let's see what is the hype about. Is it even worth it or not? But if you're new to my channel, I am Sakshi Singhania, and yes, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that you get notified every single time I upload a video. And also you can follow me on Instagram, and my Insta handle is somewhere here or here. So yes, let's dive right into the video. So first, let's know a little bit about the brand. This brand is founded by Priyanka Sarna, who is very much driven about skincare and earthy ingredients. The initial work of this brand began in 2016 from her kitchen itself. She first formulated a couple of products and shared it with her close friends and family, and yes, when they liked it with increasing demand, finally they installed a manufacturing unit for this particular brand. One very important thing I would like to mention is that the products from this brand are natural and not organic. So yes, there is a huge difference between natural, organic, vegan, vegetarian. They are all different. Please don't mix this up. The only organic brand we have in India is Juicy Chemistry, which is also certified. When talking particularly about this brand again has got a very big no-no list. That is, they are free of parabens, SLS, SLES, mineral oils, synthetic fragrance, and a lot of things. And preservatives are added in the products of this brand, and personally I feel it is very important to add preservatives in the products because it helps in increasing the shelf life of the product and also prevents stuff like bacteria from growing in the product with time. Also, natural preservatives are either unavailable or they are not adequate enough to get the job done. So yes, they have added preservatives in their product, but in most of the cases it is less than even 1% also in the concentration, and the preservatives added is as per the FDA approved guidelines. Now that we have got a gist about this brand, let's start with the product reviews. And yes, I have spoken about some products in my other videos or on my Instagram. So yeah, please bear with. Let's start with the hair care range. So the first product I want to show you all is the Sampoorn Oil by Myoho Pure by Priyanka, of course. So yes, I know I have spoken about this in my first video. So if you want to know more about hair care, you can go and watch that video. But this is a miraculous blend of 26 herbs. Now let me name some of them. They are argan oil, rosemary oil, ashwagandha, bhringraj, brahmi, kadi patta, almond oil, gotu kola, and yeah, clearly I can't remember all of them because they're 26. So if you cannot make homemade hair oil at home, and I know it is not possible for all of us to get all the ingredients and then make the hair oil, you can just invest in this one oil. This retails for around 700 rupees. Like you can see, these actually have herbs and kalonji seeds also, and you can see how much I have used it. It is actually really nice. They also have one hair oil which is onion oil, but you know, this one has actually superseded the benefits of the onion oil also. That is also great. That retails for around 500 rupees. This is for around 700. This hair oil is actually worth the hype, and you can just take some in your hand and then massage it onto your scalp with your fingertips and keep it overnight, or maybe 2-3 hours if you have got acne prone skin. I like to keep it overnight because I feel it gets more time to, you know, work on my scalp. And trust me guys, hair oil is one underrated product, I feel. I mean, if not underrated, people know the benefits of it, but still they are not using it and then complain about having hair loss and all of that. A shampoo cannot fix your hair problems, you know. You have to use a bunch of product, like at least hair oil. Hair oil does wonders to your hair. Even if you do not want to buy this, just start applying any hair oil that you want according to your scalp concern. One more thing about this hair oil, when you apply this on your scalp, it gives that cooling effect. So you know, it is very relaxing for the mind also. And I have literally made my friends and families purchase this oil, and at least like 15 to 20 of them, and they have actually been loving it. And this has actually helped them prevent like at least 50 to 60% of their hair fall. So you know, they are very happy with it, and if you are suffering from any such problem, I think you can go for this. The second product, and of course no surprises here, is their Good Hair Day shampoo. And I know I have spoken a lot about this product on my Instagram page and my YouTube channel, and also with my friends. And it's because I've got a very bad combination of hair type. That is, I've got oily scalp, thin hair, and also dry and frizzy hair. So you know, if I apply that moisturizing shampoo, it just weighs down my hair. I have tried a lot of shampoo products all my life, be it professional, commercial, organic, but this shampoo, it's something that I'll buy again and again and again because it cleanses your scalp very well. And I am a person who applies hair oil a lot, so I need a shampoo which at least lathers up fairly well so I can get that oil out of my hair and also not at the same time strip the moisture of my hair. So I feel the shampoo is really nice. And one very important disclaimer, guys, is that when you're switching from a commercial shampoo to an organic shampoo, you need to give your hair some time because your hair is not used to not using the chemicals, guys. So when you're switching to an organic shampoo, you might feel like for the first 4 to 5 washes, you might feel like your hair is sometimes too dry, sometimes too oily, and it's just not settling up. That's because your hair needs time to get used to it. And this period when your hair is getting used to the organic shampoo is known as transition period. So do not panic. One more disclaimer is that organic shampoos will not lather as much as commercial shampoo does. And the best way to use any shampoo is that
take some mug and water. Wow.
Take some water in mug, pour some shampoo and mix it well and then apply it onto your scalp. The product will also last you long and the natural moisture from your hair will also not strip down because the more product you use, the drier your hair gets. So yes, this is the technique that I use while washing my hair. So yes, be patient with organic shampoo. Give your hair time. It might take even 4 weeks, 3 to 4 weeks, but once you switch, trust me, it's the best thing you can do to your hair. Moving on to their skincare range, and I will show you all the products step by step, like how we use it in our skincare routine. So the first product is their Rose Gold face wash. Now they have got like 3 to 4 variants in face wash, but I feel this is the best among all. This is also for the people with sensitive and normal skin, and the main ingredients of the face wash is rose oil, rose extract, rose steamed distilled water and shirish extract. Now it's a good face wash. It does its job. It lathers well and cleanses up the skin. But honestly, this is the only product from Pure by Priyanka that I do not feel is worth the hype. Now, I'm not saying it's not a good face wash. I had no breakouts whatsoever. Nothing, no irritation, but this retails for around 795 rupees and I do not feel I would like to invest 795 rupees in just a simple face wash like this. So yeah, that's it. Moving on to the next step, that is toner. Now I have their green tea toner and क्या बोलूँ मैं इसके बारे में, मतलब this is legit worth the hype. This toner is particularly made for oily, acne-prone and combination skin and has got wonderful ingredient list. This includes green tea extracts, cucumber extracts, calamine, witch hazel and 2% salicylic acid. Yes, it has got 2% salicylic acid. Now, salicylic acid is a BHA which is boon for acne, whiteheads, blackheads, and it will also help you shrink your pores. The formulation of this toner is just amazing and it has got that cooling effect when you apply it onto your skin, and this has really helped me calm my acne. This is actually my first product which has BHA in it, so yeah, it was a great experience. In fact, this is the second bottle. I have already finished one bottle of this, and if you have got acne, like, this is boon for your skin. This has really helped me calm down my acne and those small red bumps. So one tip, in fact 2 tip I would like to give you here is that it has got witch hazel and salicylic acid in it, right? So if you're using it in your AM and PM routine, just try to give your skin a break like for once in 15 days. And you'll be good to go. And the second tip is that it has got salicylic acid in it, right? So when you're applying it directly, like by spraying onto your face, just cover your eyes and then spray it onto your face. Otherwise, it might irritate your eye. Or the second method is you can just take some like this and then do like this and then just pat it onto your face and you'll be good to go. Moving on to the next step, which is very much talked about these days, is serums. So the first serum I have for you all is their Glow Serum. Now this product, guys, this Glow Serum, honestly, it's the best Glow Serum till date among the ones, of course, I have used. Again, this has got beautiful ingredient list. This has kumkumadi oil, sandalwood extracts and also hyaluronic acid. This is a very powerful product for dull, pigmented and like damaged skin, because this hydrates your skin beautifully and without giving that greasy feeling. So for that, let me show you all the texture of this product. This has got beautiful texture. Just look, guys. It feels so velvety on your skin. You can also wear it as a primer under your foundation and it gives a really nice glow. Like I said, if you apply it as a primer under your foundation glides on like butter. Can you see the glow? The glow is unbelievable and it's not feeling greasy at all. You can also call this as a magic serum and apply it in your AM or PM routine and let your skin glow like a disco ball. Moving on to the next serum, which is again talked about a lot, is their vitamin C serum. Now this has got 15% vitamin C in it with 10% of L-ascorbic acid and 5% of ascorbate. Now we know vitamin C is one-step solution for all the problems like hyperpigmentation, sun damage, skin dullness or uneven skin tone. So yes, this is one powerful serum that shows remarkable improvements on your skin, and for the price it's just amazing because it retails for around 795 rupees and we know how much vitamin C serums cost. Let me also show you the texture of this serum. Now this serum again you can see is not very heavy in consistency, making it perfect for oily acne prone skin. So yes, if you're looking for a vitamin C serum under 700 to 800 rupees, this is the one you can go for. Moving on to the last and the most important step of any skincare routine, which is sunscreen. We have sunscreen from Myoho Pure by Priyanka. Now this has SPF 30 in it. Finally, we have Indian brands coming up with good mineral sunscreen, and because it's a mineral sunscreen, it has got zinc oxide with 18.75 nano zinc oxide, and it has carrot seed oil and rice bran starch. This sunscreen is just perfect for indoors, and yes, I'm not saying outdoors. It's because I feel SPF 50 is very much needed for if you are going outside frequently. And this has not only got SPF 30 but PA++ also, which means you are protected from both UVA and UVB rays. I cannot emphasize on how important it is to wear sunscreen. It is that important that you can skip all these steps from your skincare, but not this. And if you're wearing sunscreen from the right age, trust me, you will be saving a lot in future. I mean, this is the one-step solution for everything, even for anti-aging. So be it indoors or outdoors, no matter what, please wear sunscreen. This is how it looks like. Now, even though it's a mineral sunscreen, it will not leave that white cast. See, even if this is a mineral sunscreen, it gives that flawless finish without giving any white cast on the skin. And yes, this is perfectly suitable for all skin types. So guys, if you're not doing anything to your skin, koi baat nahi, but please go and buy a good sunscreen. And by good sunscreen, I mean it should have SPF and PA++ protection so that your skin is protected from both the UV rays. So yes, wear sunscreen and save a lot in future. And I have one last product from this particular brand, and that is their facial Upton. Now this is a blend of 36 sun-dried and hand-pounded ingredients. This is just the sample size and not the actual bottle. You get this when you purchase the other products, and I have purchased so many products from this particular brand so many times that I have received 4 to 5 samples. So yeah, I didn't feel the need to buy the bigger one. See, I have 2-3 here and 2-3 और थे, वो खत्म हो गए तो मैंने डब्बे फेंक दिए थे. But yes, this is a really nice Upton, and like you can see, but yes, the Upton is really nice, and like you can see, but yes, the Upton is really nice, and like you can see the texture, it is not finely milled, but it is a great physical exfoliator for your skin. And I have spoken this many times that Besan is the great natural exfoliator for your skin. So yes, if you want to buy Upton from any brand, you can definitely go for the Pure by Priyanka Upton. It does give that bright and glowing skin after you wash off this product. So with this, we finally come to the end of the video, and I did tell you which products are actually worth the hype and which I think is not. So if you want me to review more such brands or any other products, you can leave it in the comment section below, and also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified every single time I upload a video, and you can also follow me on Instagram. See you soon. Bye.